Owning a classic Ferrari was always a dream, but one far beyond my reach. Modern Ferraris were beautiful, yet their price made that dream feel impossible. So I began looking where most people never would, the scrapyard. Among rusted metal and forgotten machines, something caught my eye. Buried under dust and decay, a classic Ferrari, left behind by time. Most people saw scrap. I saw potential. The damage was obvious: rust, dents, years of neglect. But the soul of the car was still there. This Ferrari had a story, and I wanted to continue it. The first step was simple: washing away decades of dirt. Slowly, the original red paint began to reappear. With care, the Ferrari was moved from scrap to workshop. This was where the real work would begin. Every inch was cleaned, revealing the truth beneath the surface. Inside, time had taken its toll, but nothing was beyond repair. Removing the wheels showed just how much work lay ahead. Rust had spread quietly, hiding in the weakest areas. There were no shortcuts, only patience. Grinding away rust felt like erasing years of neglect. Bent panels were slowly shaped back into place. Damaged metal had to be removed to move forward. Fresh steel restored strength to the Ferrari's body. Layer by layer, the surface felt whole again. Sanding wasn't exciting, but it was essential. Gray primer marked a turning point in the journey. Attention turned to the heart of the car, the engine. Each component was cleaned, not replaced. The undercarriage was washed clean, revealing solid foundations. With preparation complete, it was time for color. The first coat of Ferrari red changed everything. Layer by layer, the legend returned. Clear coat added depth and protection. Now, patience mattered more than speed. Wet sanding refined the surface to perfection. Polishing revealed the shine this Ferrari was born with. Glass, trim, and badges returned piece by piece. With wheels back on, the Ferrari stood proud again. Inside, the cabin regained its classic character. One final moment remained. The engine came to life, smooth, strong, unmistakably Ferrari. What once seemed unaffordable was rebuilt with passion, patience, and belief.